Imagine that your home computer suddenly becomes a part of a global network for training AI. Sounds like a fantasy, but what if I'll say to you that AI is already so advanced that people often misjudge it to be a real human? In this episode, we'll discover the secrets of a new AI training technology. We'll discuss shocking results from a new experiment about AI recognition, and we will also find out about the new AI model from Europe, which has a strong sense of ethics, which can actually be better than that of most humans. Subscribe, press the like button, and enjoy the video. Stop, please wait a second. I almost forgot to tell you about our unique Discord server. There you will find hot news from the world of AI and technology. And also, I have a special present for you. On this server, you will find a useful guide on how to correctly make prompts for ChatGPT, and also pre-made templates for various tasks. And again, this super useful guide is available absolutely for free on our Discord server. Link to the server will be in the description. Enjoy the video. In a world where training AI models requires the computing power of whole data centers, a group of researchers has thrown a challenge to status quo by developing DisTrO, a revolutionary method which can allow to turn your home computer into a part of a global network for training AI. Researchers from Nous Research have developed a new training method for large language models called DisTrO. Usually, the training of such models requires a lot of computers, GPUs, which need to always be exchanging large amounts of data between itself. DisTrO allows to drastically reduce the amount of information that needs to be transferred between computers without harming training quality. This opens up a possibility of training large language models through the internet, and not just in specialized data centers. This method was successfully tested on a 1.2 billion parameter model, which can be referred to as a medium-sized model. In the future, DisTrO can make the development of large language models more available for companies and researchers that don't have a lot of computing power. Also, this can reduce the harmful effects of training AI models on the environment, because this allows to more effectively utilize the already existing computing power that we have in the world. Scientists from California University in San Diego have conducted an interesting experiment to check how well can humans recognize another human from a bunch of AI models in online conversations. They used an augmented version of already very well-known Turing test, where participants need to decide if the one they're speaking to is a computer or a human. Results turned out to be very interesting. Humans and AI often misjudge their opponent, thinking that a computer is a human, and vice versa. The most interesting part about this is that the newest model, named GPT-4, was recognized to be human more often than real humans. This tells us that the newest AI models have already become so advanced that they can effectively imitate human conversations. Scientists also discovered that when humans are reading a dialogue that already happened from the side, they have even more trouble recognizing an AI from a human. These results raise some very important questions about the future of online conversations, and also about how we can use artificial intelligence in our everyday life. Scientists also emphasize the importance of developing more precise tools for recognizing the AI from human in conversations to mitigate possible problems and manipulations in the future. Imagine yourself artificial intelligence which can not only speak a few of the European languages, but also follows all of the ethic norms. This is precisely a model that was recently created by a company called Aleph Alpha. This company has introduced a new family of large language models called Faria 1 LLM. The main specialty of these new models is their transparency and adherence to European norms. Faria 1 LLM 7B model is optimized for French, German, Spanish languages, which makes it incredibly useful for European users. Interesting. The developers have paid special attention to the efficiency of these models in engineering and transport spheres. Model is trained on carefully selected data, following the copyright and confidentiality laws. It's important to notice that Faria 1 LLM 7B model is available for non-commercial and educational use with open license. Developers have also introduced a version of this model with more strict safety rules. Overall, the appearance of Faria 1 LLM demonstrates the tendency towards creating more ethical and transparent systems of artificial intelligence that take into account region-specific moral laws and uniquenesses. Anthropic company has revealed system prompts for its AI assistant Claude. System prompt is a kind of instruction for AI models that influences its behavior in conversations. Interesting uniqueness of Claude's system prompt is that in it is referred to in third person. This can be part of the explanation of Claude's unique personality when chatting with it. Also, Claude is prompted to be blind to faces on images. It will not identify or call out people on pictures, which is an important step in securing confidentiality. Anthropic provides a family of Claude models, Haiku, Opus, and Sonnet. Each of them have their unique abilities. Sonnet is considered to be the smartest of them. Opus is better for harder problems, and Haiku is the fastest for everyday tasks. This allows users to select a Claude model that is most suitable for their needs. Anthropic is seeking to make interaction with their models more safe and useful. They demonstrate how rapidly the field of artificial intelligence is developing, bringing us closer to a future where AI assistants will become an integral part of our daily lives. OpenAI, the company that developed ChatGPT, has supported a new bill in California. This law, known as AB 3211, requires technology companies to label content created by artificial intelligence. This covers a wide range of materials, from harmless memes to so-called deepfakes that can be used to spread false information about political candidates. This is especially important in an election year. OpenAI believes that transparency and the ability to determine the origin of AI-generated content are crucial. They propose using watermarks to label such content. The bill has already passed a vote in the California State Assembly and received anonymous support. It is now under consideration in the state Senate. Interestingly, this law is one of the 65 AI-related bills that have been attempted to be introduced in California this year. Many of them have already been rejected. Experts are concerned about the role of AI-generated content in the upcoming elections. This year, elections will be held in countries representing a third of the world's population. This shows that even large companies developing AI recognize the need for regulation in this rapidly evolving area of technology. With this, our AI News Digest comes to an end. Hit like if you learned something new, and subscribe to always stay up to date with the latest events in the world of AI. Until next time.